now we are seeing a few Michaels between all of them. Lion and Dawn return to second for second turtle of the game. And let's see, with the full support of the epic surfers of the Philip. And right now, on the forest red ball na natin, ako po nag-ibig o tagapagkilang, pero para they're back down.
13 seconds left, second respawn.
Actually, parang Google, they had a mistake! Dahil naman parang yung na-pull-in na naman, they're going to go and kill. There's a kill bagat sa pagkilang, pumasok na Paulan, Sedi with a kill. Ngayon, hindi naman gusto ng 5v5 situation, pero dito ngayon, 2v2. On the blue side, parang is coming in from the back only, with the same damage coming in. Now 3v2 against Turtle Pit, pero pag mababa na sila magkilang with a kill, na secure na ating tagapagawa ng ating natalisa. He's getting out, Seaman with a kill on our Hayabusa. I mean, they secured the turtle, but they overextended.
It's a mistake on Hayabusa.
Yes, pero I think Paris is going to go on the middle lane with a higher advantage against Sushi. And right now, the bottom lane, 2v2 situation, no way na ni CW na patakbo. Coming in from the back, Nagila ngayon. Now! Oh my God, like on the video coming in. They have got the team of another destroys. Pero Sushi, kangkong na naman. Kinangkong ang ating client.
Another mistake naman partner.
I think they have the advantage kanina, but right now they're overextending. Kapag is overextending. Yes, but they actually relying more parameters for the set. Pero, they got a few errors now coming in the mid-lane JVD situation. I think Don's gonna engage for that, so we will have a reset. Na naman ang our 6-minute mark, pero para sa Kangkong napaka-aggressive in this mid line. And right now, 4v3 situation, papasok ba? Parang pa-atras na to. It's gonna be a 5v3, pero gonna be a full back. 5v3 na naman dito na patakbo, napakagod sila po, pero wala na usahan. Now, ang kill from Hayabusa is gonna be a Nas. Chinobi na naman talaga. Oh my gosh, there's a kill coming from Paramis now. Inyo na naman yung chip na nalimuhan din kami. Napatakbo pala yun ng Kangkong. Is trying to run and come the tower for Chinobi. Dito naabangan ng Jay on the backside. Now we see the Kangkong. Hinabol pa balik sa Gatot. Kagatot ka hinabol talaga. Pero Jay napanila pa dito. And right now, Kyoto's lane. Fishing.
Sa side ng team, Pangkila. Umawin yung team of Comunani partner.
Yeah, I think they just had their talaga captain.
They correct their mistake.
And bad news, wala na akong kape. So this game is now reaching 7-minute mark, the score 5-9.
Lagong Lino, 1,000.
1,000 lang pala guys. A very short goal lead. Pero kaya pa ito.
Yes, Tower, dalawa na nabasa dito.
Yeah.